name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm now going to show you how to properly prepare your client before hair color. One thing you want to take into account is look at their hair before you get them draped and make sure they don't need to be shampooed. Most colors that you use, you do not need to shampoo your client ahead of time, which Danielle looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and get her ready. You want to protect the customer's clothes at all possible times. So first I'm going to put a towel under her neck. I'm going to put the cape over the towel. And I'm also going to put a towel over the top of the cape to protect your clothes. A lot of people sometimes want to just do a towel under or a towel over. I prefer both, as hair color can be very messy and you don't want it to get on their clothes. Then I'm going to prepare her skin so that the color doesn't absorb and make a ring. And what I'm going to do is I take a heavy wax and apply it around the hairline. You want to do it really heavy so it doesn't soak into their skin. Get it as close to the hairline as you can without actually getting it into their hair. Going all the way around. You could even put it on the tops of their ears because there are fine tiny hairs on the ears that could get colored. And I'm going to grab some more wax. Also, if you're doing someone with short hair and it's going to show in the back, you can also put the wax around their hairline so that it doesn't stain their skin back there. We're going to get the tops of her ears here. And just in case Danielle for some reason wanted to wear her hair up today, I'm going to also place a little around here, around her hairline, being very careful not to get it on her hair. So we're going to finish putting the wax around her hairline down here, and you want to be really careful not to get the wax on their hair. And that's how you prepare your client for a color service.